Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use King C Gillette products for an easy and effective grooming routine. We'll start by preparing your beard, then move on to the shaving process itself, and finally, we'll cover essential post-shave care. This guide will help you achieve a clean, comfortable shave and maintain a well-groomed look with confidence. Get ready to elevate your daily routine. Before you even pick up a razor, proper preparation is key for a great shave. Start by washing your beard with a dedicated beard wash to cleanse and soften the hair. Next, apply a few drops of King C Gillette beard oil. Gently massage it into your beard and the skin beneath. This crucial step helps to hydrate your skin and hair, ensuring a smoother glide for the razor and reducing potential irritation. Now let's get to the shave itself. Apply a thin, even layer of King C Gillette shaving gel or cream to your beard. Using the King C Gillette razor, begin with light, short strokes. For the most comfortable shave, always shave in the direction your hair grows first. Remember to rinse your razor blade frequently under warm water to keep it clear and effective, ensuring a clean cut every time. After achieving your desired shave, proper post-shave care is essential for healthy skin. First, rinse your face thoroughly with cool water to help close your pores. Gently pat your skin dry with a clean, soft towel. Avoid rubbing. Finally, apply a small amount of King C Gillette post-shave balm. This will soothe and moisturize your skin, preventing dryness and leaving you feeling refreshed and comfortable throughout the day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.